Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nabila Khafifah. I'm from Occupational Safety and Health major, and today I'll be presenting my research titled The Redesign of Studies Chair for the School Activities at the Early Childhood Education Level with Ergonomic Approach using the Standard Nordic Questionnaire and Value Engineering methods. And to begin, let's move to the next slide. On the next slide, we will see the background research. A studies chair really serves a crucial support in any level of studies, but the function of studies chair can be like or can be compromised if the design of the chair is like from the ergonomy. And based on the field studies that conduct to among 50 students in early education level using the SNQ, it was found that 60% of them reported low back pain, 30% reported back pain, and only 10% that seldom experience any discomfort. And next is the problem statement of this research. The first is about how is the redesign of the studies chair, and the second one is how the effectiveness of the redesign to the studies chair, what makes it different, and how this design can be prevent the MSDS to the students. Next slide is about benefit of the research. It's divided to two. The first benefit is for the researcher. They are knowing the application of the anthropometry theory to be designed chair, and then able to redesign the chair to be more ergonomic according to the anthropometry of the respondents. And for the intended institution is to gaining the knowledge about ergonomic that must be applied to all education institutions, and then get a designed chair that already compromised with ergonomic principle that will prevent the MSDS to students or children. In the next slide, we will see the theoretical basis. The first theory is ergonomy. So, ergonomy is a scientific discipline that designs and arranges the workplace product or any anything that ensures that the products is fit to the children or to the students who use the products. And then the musculoskeletal disorder. This is a group of conditions that may affect the muscles, bones, tendons, and ligament, or any other supportive structures in human bodies. And MSDS can affect any major area of human bodies. In this topic, we will talk about back and lower back. And next is anthropometry. Anthropometry is a scientific study of the measurement and proportion of human bodies. And anthropometry is also play a role is also play important role in designing a product, especially if the product want to be more ergonomic. And then SNQ or standard Nordic questionnaire. It's like a general questionnaire, but in this SNQ, we will talk or we will focusing on the identifying areas of human bodies that may causing musculoskeletal problems. And then value engineering. So value engineering is a systematic organized method to provide unnecessary functions. These methods have three steps. There are information stage, analysis stage, and then evaluation stage. And here are the flowchart of the research. From the first step, we will collecting the data from the literature review and field research. After that, we will make the research background and then problem identification. And then we are collecting the real data from the uh, SNQ and anthropometrics uh, from the students. Then we are managing the data to get the percentiles, and then we are determine the percentiles. It has the function to creating the new design of the chair. After that, we are analyzing the effectiveness of the design. If it's already sweet or if it's already proportionate for the students, we can come to the next step. There are conclusions, but if it's disproportionate yet, we have to determine again the percentile, and then we need to create a new designs that already suitable for the students and effective for the students. If it's already suitable or proportionate, then we have to make a conclusion and recommendation. All right. To sum up, I have presented my research about the ergonomies and how it relates to MSDS to the children and how the chair can prevent it. I hope my presentation gave some weight, some insight. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.